This is a review of the Sherbo raised garden bed. The brand sent this to me so that I can do a review, and I'm going to assemble this. There are no tools required. I'm going to be setting this up without the trellis today. We start with our base. Make sure that we've got the interior of that base added. There we go. And then we add the sides. So what we'll be doing is, as you can see here, you put this in and then slide it to lock it. Okay. So we do that with all four sides. And then we add the corner pieces. These just slide in, lining up the grooves with the sides. All right, and then what we do is we'll put the wheels on. And then we put the tops on the sides here. Now, just like the sides, they go in a certain way and then slide to lock. And there is one side that is longer than the other, so just make sure you line that up. So that way it fits. And we add the caps. All right. And that's it. They do have included some plastic little cap things. If for some reason you want to plug the water from draining. They also include 3 cute little plant markers and these cute little tools.